Hi, good day. It's me again, Coach Gerrie from Gerrie Superior Fitness, and today we're going to talk about managing high blood pressure through natural ways. Yes, there's natural ways through which we can manage high blood pressure, which can also help. Today you will find out exactly what and how you can do it. If we talk about lifestyle changes, we can start with healthy diet. A healthy diet means the DASH diet was designed to help balance and to reduce blood pressure. The DASH diet, they also found out that a diet rich in fruits and veggies and protein can make a tremendous difference in helping to lower the blood pressure. Then we can also talk another natural way is exercise. They've also discovered that through activities such as walking, swimming, cycling, and jogging, it helps a lot in reducing the blood pressure. Then we talk about healthy weight management. Yes, weight management plays an important role because remember, excessive weight, obesity, also put a lot of stress on the blood pressure. And if you are overweight, it also pushes up your blood pressure. That also causes blood pressure. But if you can manage it, it can help a lot, and it can also play a crucial role. All right. Also, if you would start to limit alcohol, you would start to limit and you would start to quit smoking. Limiting alcohol consumption reduces blood pressure by a big margin. And smoking, if you can quit smoking, it can put a lot of the strain that was put on the cardiovascular system. It can take a lot of that strain off, and it can also help in reducing the blood pressure. Then we can talk about limiting or taking care of your sodium intake, especially salt. A lot of people take too much salt in their foods, and that also causes a lot of strain on the blood pressure. That's why the blood pressure is always high. So if you can limit your consumption of sodium, that will play a big role, and it can help a lot. And then also, if you can manage stress by means of mindfulness, meditation, breathing techniques, if you can use it, it can play a big role in reducing your blood pressure. But then also again, if you already have high blood pressure and your doctor has put you on medication, that doesn't mean you can do this and you must stop your medication. Also, and always continue with your medication, and in conjunction with these natural lifestyle changes, it can make a big difference. It can save a life. It can also bring back very, very good quality of life, especially if you suffer from any sort of disease. It means your quality of life becomes poorer. But if you can try and help with the medication and you put the two together, it will play a big role and it will make a big difference, and it will also tremendously help to improve your quality of life again, so you can also go back to enjoy life like you used to enjoy. Well, like I said, high blood pressure should not be taken lightly. High blood pressure is real and high blood pressure is there. And if you're not going to take care of your health or start to manage your high blood pressure, then I can tell you now already, it's going to be you who's going to pay the price. I mean, you're already paying the price now by having the condition, but it doesn't mean that these conditions is a death sentence, right? You can still help yourself. You can still take precaution. You can still take care of yourself by using your medicine. If your physician has put you on any medication, don't stop it. Continue with it, but also try these healthy habits, these healthy solutions, and I promise you, it will help you. For you out there living with high blood pressure, remember, high blood pressure is not a death sentence. It's just another disease or illness you have, but if you can take care of it and take control of it, that means your life is not so much in danger. It is a little bit in danger, but that means you can control it, and it's up to you to take care of it. From me, well, until the next time, take care.